Hi guys, good morning. This is Shrestha Kundu. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please consider subscribing my channel. So from the title, I guess you already got to know what this video is going to be about. So this is Saturday today, and usually on Saturdays I wake up around 7:30 a.m. I guess it's 7:30. So now I have to just wake up and do some work, and also I have to work out. So just keep on watching the video and you'll get to know more about my weekend morning routine. So the first thing I do after getting up, that is cleaning my bed and some corner of my room, because it is just messier. It is always messier, so I need to clean it up. And cleaning the bed is the most essential thing one should do after getting up. That's what I think, and it should be done by yourself only, not by your parents or your house help or anyone. It should be done by yourself. I just got done with my brushing, cleaning my face. So ignore my face because it's puffy right now. Whatever. Currently, I'm just having these almonds, haldi, and I already ate the tulsi pata. So great. So note down the first point, that you need to wake up early. Not like, I'm not saying that you need to wake up around 5:36. Just wake up earlier, like me, 7:30, because usually I get up at 5:30 a.m. when I have to go to office. But these Sundays I wake up 7:30. It feels good because throughout the week we are busy with our own work, like office work and everything, and our house just gets out of our sight. Always it happens, and it happens with me mostly. So I try to indulge myself in household works mostly in Saturdays and Sundays. Saturdays still I have office, I have to go, or I have to work from home either, or Sundays I am totally at home. I do not go to anywhere, just I spend my time with my family. But Saturday, so I have office, but fortunately I have work from home today. And task I do, which is cleaning my room and corners. Third point is incorporate some good habits into you. If you start the day with some good habits, then you will be positive throughout the day. It could be journalizing, it could be exercising, working out. Habits will help you to build up a positive mind, because that's what we need every single day and every single time. Because what happens is corporate life, and you know how much toxic it is. So for that, I think some good habits you need, and the most important thing is exercise, working out or meditation. That helps a lot. So I just completed my workout, and right now I have to make the breakfast, and just to ignore the background music, background voice, because that is a meeting going on actually. So that's a thing, and right now I have to just make breakfast and just do it. For breakfast, I plan to make some soup, and yogurt is a staple item in my breakfast. So this is how my breakfast looks like, and I added some oregano to make it more yum. And yeah, I'm done with my breakfast, and now I have to sit for work, because I have work from home today, and these are my files, and that is my laptop. And yeah, I'm doing the work. Okay, so I just got few minutes before my next meeting starts, and now I have to go and get a quick shower and just to be ready for my meetings and callings and all. Till then, keep on watching. Finally, I'm done with my shower, and I'm just gonna get quickly ready for my work from home. I'm wearing this t-shirt. It's very cute white t-shirt which I got from Bioderma. I got a gift from them actually, and t-shirt and these is my comfort clothing, comfort style for me. And the quote written in the t-shirt is, your choices deserve respect and respect your skin too. So now I'll start my skincare routine because my skin needs some pamper right now and respect too. I look ready for my next meeting. I feel fresh and much good about the outfit because I like this outfit so much. It's very pretty basic. It's pretty basic, but it's very comfortable. It's like a comfort style for me, and yeah, this is end of my weekend morning routine because that's how I spend my weekend morning routine. Like I don't have to go to office like bank, then I have to work from home. Otherwise I have to just go to the main branch. So yeah, that's how I am ending up the video. So hope you liked it and hope you get some information about how you should spend your weekend morning routine. You shouldn't waste the time you get. As today's video, hope you liked it. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and comment down below your thoughts, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and live gorgeously.